In this video, I will show you how to type peso sign in MS Word. So click anywhere, then insert symbol, more symbols. Now here select currency symbols and here select Unicode HEX. Now here select peso sign. You can use this character code 2081 and also you can use shortcut key Alt plus X 20B1. So 20B1, then click on insert. So as we can see, we have this peso sign. So thanks for watching, and very simple and easy guys. Just you can use symbol in MS Word to type and to insert peso sign.